guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Cameron here for GadgetGeek. Today we have the smart keyboard that obviously comes along with a 12.9-inch iPad Pro. I believe it does retail for $129. Yes, now the smart keyboard basically is a keyboard. There is no Bluetooth required on this keyboard, which I think is great. I'm constantly taking it off on all the time, and I can, use the normal keyboard and type. And then as soon as I put it on, I'm just going to attach it right now. It magnetically attaches. Give me a second. There we go. Magnetically attaches. Just give me a second. Okay. It does attach. Just give me a second. Okay, it's attached now. So it is attached now. What I think is actually really cool is while it's not attached to the keyboard over here, it comes up with the digital keyboard, and as soon as I'm to lift it onto the keyboard over here, this keyboard will then disappear, as you've seen here, which I think is a great feature because you can use the keyboard. And then often what I find me doing is I actually like using the iPad more like in this position. So what often I do is I turn it over, and use the keyboard like that, and then you notice the digital keyboard comes up because it's now no longer connected to the physical keyboard, which I think is a great feature. So you can use the keyboard as a stand. I'm not sure if it's designed for this, but I definitely do this all the time. For writing notes, it's a good writing angle, good typing angle actually. So I think this is great. It's very thin. It's not heavy. It is soft, so it does protect your screen. Unfortunately, it doesn't protect the back of your iPad, but you can buy other cases that are compatible with a smart keyboard. It is very much like the smart case, Apple smart case. Connects on the side magnetically. Obviously, like the smart case, when you open and close it, it turns it on and off the screen. Overall, if you're going to be doing a lot of typing, I don't think it's a necessity, but it's a nice thing to have. They've done a very good job of concealing it within the case. In terms of the typing, it's very comfortable. So good case to have. It is expensive, but I think it is worth money compared to other cases because it's not Bluetooth. That feature is simply, great. You don't have to have Bluetooth all the time, or about connecting it, disconnecting it, which is such a pain. So it's up to you.